Hello everyone, so welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss what is prompt engineering and how can we implement the prompt engineering using ChatGPT. So before starting the video, let's try to understand what exactly prompt is. So prompt can be defined as a process of creating input and instructing the machine or AI model to do some set of specified tasks which we want the machine to do. So now let's focus on how we can use prompt engineering in ChatGPT to improve the results and improve our productivity. So there are few points which we need to take care of. So the first one is we need to be clear and specific. So we need to ensure that our prompts are clear and specific about what we want the AI model to do and avoid ambiguous language and unnecessary details. The second thing which we need to take care is provide the context. So, if necessary, providing context or background to the information will help ChatGPT or other AI model to understand what exactly we want from it. Okay. The next thing we can take care of is ask in steps. So that means we can break down the complex question into smaller or more manageable steps. This can lead to more correct or coherent responses. The next thing we can take care is experiment. So we should not be afraid of experimenting with different inputs and different forms of data. We can try again and again by asking the question in different way, prompting in different ways so that we can get a set of different responses, and we can also get the response which exactly we are looking for. So by keeping these things in mind, we can improve our results using ChatGPT or other AI models.